Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. So today is my first video on flyer design. So I'd like us to go through some design process in designing a flyer such as this. So basically, this flyer is for my church. So and it's a month flyer. Like when there's a new month, you have a theme for the month. So when they sent it to me, I just decided to work on it as soon as possible. So the first thing you have to do when it comes to flyer design is for research. So with research, we have apps that can help you. There's one app that I normally like or I use is Pinterest. So you see, I just design church flyer. I just type church flyer design, and you can see a lot of works here. So you just go to Pinterest.com, maybe church flyer design, then you can see some amazing works that people are doing. Yeah, so there are a lot of inspirations you can draw from different sites. Some people use Instagram, some people use Facebook. You can draw inspiration from it. But mostly I draw my inspiration from Pinterest. That's basically one of the first steps in flyer design. So let's jump into it. So first things first, how you make this background come. You go to files and you go to new. So you wait for it to load. So when it comes, so this is it. So I'm using 2000 by 2000 and my resolution is 300 and I'm using RGB color. RGB is for print media. Let's say if you want to use it on social media or any gadgets, any mobile phone multimedia, so you use the RGB color. And if you want to print it, or maybe you want to on a print media, or you want to paste it on the wall, any other banner, you select the CMYK color. But since we are designing for mobile phone and any other gadget, electronic gadget, they'll go with RGB. So you can see 2000 by 2000 pixels with resolution 300 and RGB color, and the background is white. So you go to create. When you go to create, it will create a new one for you. Have created it already, so you just go through the process. So when you are done, you get a background like this. So basically, this is the workspace for Adobe Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop 2019. I think any other version can also help you get the same result. So I think these are the tools that you use, or the tools that you use to design the flyer. So when you put the markers on it, I think you get a name there. I'll do a video on how to use all these tools here. So let's jump into action. So first things first, when I'm coming to work on the flyer, I normally work with the background first before the normal details. So let's jump into action. So I draw a rectangle across the whole board so that I can get a perfect shape here. So this is it, and I'm using a background. Let's say this is too deep, so I'll move the mouse cursor to something like this. This FF7200. As you can see, if you want to use the same colors, I think you can go with that color. So let's go to okay. Okay, so we have something nice like this, and I've opened a new workspace and I've put the resources there. So with the resources, I'll create a Google link where you can access the same resources on the Google link. So this is it. So basically a month of victory. So I draw this inspiration from YouTube. I was watching a video that have something like this, like overcoming the devil. So you can see that this picture signifies victory, and something like this like joy pertaining to victory. You get it? So let's move along with this. Let's use this. Oh, let's stick to this. Okay, let's go with this. So I just drag this to the board. So I think here it's okay. So what I'll do is I'll use the blending mode options to get a color that can go with the background. I think this one is cool. But how it's looking like so I'll go with this one. So now it's matching. Okay. So we want to find a way to make this background with the picture be the same. So I'll use the gradient tool, and the settings are already there. So I think we just go and select the background color. So leave the background color and click on OK. So you click on the picture and just click on then gradient to okay. Sure, I get it. The picture here, is, let me say, it's a smart object, so you have to convert it to rasterize layer so that you can edit or work on it. Or the same thing, you can just do Control C and you use a new, let's say a new layer. So this is a new layer. So just drag it on top of it. Just make sure it gets something similar. So you can see that the background or the picture, this one, they are going out small, they are fading. So let's go for it. I think it's too much. So you just do it proportional so that it will not cover the whole of the picture. So just have a way to just make it look simple. Okay. I think this one is okay. Let's reduce the opacity small for it. I think 90 is good. Okay, so you're arriving at something. So you can see that there's a little bit of the picture showing. So let's crank it up to 95. I think it's okay. Then I said let's work on the background. So we have used that picture. So we come in. This is the eye. So if you want to show it, like when you close the eye, you can't see it. When you open, so basically that's the same thing that Photoshop has depicted. So let's just close the eye. So you can see that it's not there. So let's close the eye of this thing, the other picture. So we call these layers. I think I'll have to do a video on how layers work. So you drag the ribbon. The ribbon here is like victory. So in those, let's say in those rides when you be there, this thing, I think those American movies when you watch it, somebody modify these kind of things are being poured on them. So let's just tilt the shape. Okay. I think this one is good. So now what I'll do is too visible. So what I'll do is go to filter and go to blur, and I'll use motion blur. So with the motion blur, what it does is it makes the image look as if it's in motion, like how when cars are moving at a fast speed, you know how, or you are watching those videos how it moves very fast, like they are in motion. So basically that's it. So it does it. So I put it here. Then I think we are done with the background. But the picture here, I think we are done with the background. So with this, I'm changing the background picture or the victory picture. So let's go with that one. So let's go to the text. So you come here and the text is good. So you click on it. It's our month of, or we will not put the off for now. I will make the off in a way that it will become very nice. So our month of, so our month of the off not is also our month victory. So take this one to go. Then go to the move tool. Then you come to properties. Then you center align it. And I will change the font size. I will put it to Stretch Sans. Yeah, you can go to Google and type this font. Then you download and you can use it on your web. So you crank this one, let's say 30 or 36. It's 36. So you can see that it's entering each other. So you come here and use it to auto. So you see the auto is too much. So let's drag it. Let's find a way of using the bottom line. Let's say let's put it on 30. Okay, 30 is okay. So you put it here. So I think here is okay. Is that 30? Okay. Let's, okay, 36 is okay. I think for now. Or let's move it to 30, 40. You can use this one to just get it. So 40. Enter. Yeah, 40 is okay. But let's make sure this one make it apart here. Okay, so this is it. So this is the theme for the month. So and we want to use the off so that so our month of, let's use small caps. So I'll use one of my favorite calligraphy. Yes, I think Amalfi Coast. Okay, let's go with Amalfi Coast for now. So we go, come here, change the text color. Particularly is too much, so let's just make the color that would be similar to let's go, let's see, The reason why I don't want to use white because the amount of this white, so when you use that one, it will not show any kind of differences. So I think this one is okay. Or is too blurry. No. This. So let's use black. I think black will be okay. Yeah, black. Okay. So let's just. And then we didn't set down and all this. So let's just select. So you press on Control, then select off here, and you come to the background, select. And when this is when you move over, you say align horizontal settings. So you just click on this one, so you can see that the shape itself to control. So wherever it is. I think we'll change the color of the blacks. Let's try another color. I just want a color that will look very funky. Let's try colors. Well, I think I have designed something similar. So let me select the background so that we'll get the color. I just want us to get a nice background color. There you go. Okay. So what's the name of this color? Come here, I just want to get that color there. It's a copy. So I've copied this color. So you watch closely so that when you read it, you can know the color that we use. So I select I click on it, then I paste Ctrl V. So this is the color that I'm using for the office. So click on it. Okay, I think it's cool now. Okay. Then what are we doing? We are writing scripture. So I think let's go to online and get the scripture of victory. So I just want to copy and paste scripture of victory so that it will help us get something similar. So let's just get the scripture of victory. Let's wait until it moves. Okay, so basically I'm waiting for the scripture of victory to load so that we can use it in our flyer. But let's be working on our writing. So it's the month of November, so I want to do something nice there. So we still maintain that color. So you click on OK. And I think we are using that color. So let's select it. Okay, so that's it. Then let's use November. It's November, right? So just click on any part of the screen and just delete, just lower it. So Control E and delete. So November. It's small card, right? So let's delete it. Then November. Let's wait for it. Okay, so it's here. Sure. So you click on the properties panel and wait for it to come. So click on here, then go to Poppins. So Poppins and Monserrate. They are one of my favorite fonts that I normally use in design. It comes to small movements. Yeah. So let's wait for it. The laptop is behaving slow, so let's just change the font size to 36 and change the color to, let's say, white, so that to show on the background. So white. It's white. Or you can come here and press F. F is white. So I think it's okay. So you press OK. Oops. It's supposed to be F. Or you use the color this one. So let's try. I don't know, the machine is behaving, it's starting to behave slow. So F. So you can close the tab. Okay, so you drag it. So you can see that it's bigger than this one. So what we'll do is we just reduce the size back to maybe 30 so that it can fit into 30. Okay, 30 is cool. Oops, it just reverts itself back. So we go back again and crank it out. We crank it down to 30. So we close this one. So what you do is you select the rectangle, or you select the rectangle and at the same time select the November. Pressing on control, sorry. So we click on it, click on this one. So you see it becoming center and horizontal, vertical and horizontal. So that's it. Then I'll open a work where or you are coming. Let's work on the other part of it. Then that one we just go and cut the code. So I think that this one has load. So I think let's grab this. And it's from 1 Corinthians 10:13. So let's just go. So we copy Control C. So you come here and press on text. And you click on here and you drag it so that it will whatever that you will get will be within or be confined within a space that you have drawn. So you just delete whatever is there. So you delete it and press Control. So okay, so it's not there. So what we'll do now is we'll reduce the size of it. We'll reduce the size of